Hello everyone, welcome back to Mum Cooks. Today we're going to be making one of my favourite supper recipes, falafels. So this one requires just a little bit of preparation because what we need to do is to soak some dried chickpeas overnight in plenty of water, and they will swell up quite a lot. And then the next day, drain them off and you're good to go. We're going to need to use a food processor for this recipe. So here's what I'm going to use. I've got 3 cups of chickpeas, 2 cups of the dried soaked chickpeas from last night, and 1 cup of tin chickpeas. So it'll just give me a little bit of different texture. So into the bowl it goes. And next we have 1 very large red pepper into my mixer. Whoops, that one escaped. I like my falafels to have a little bit of sweetness, and so I'm going to add a carrot. It's getting rather full here. 3 lovely cloves of garlic and 1 large red onion. On with the lid and off we go. Okay, that's about it. Now we've got some fairly pureed bits and some very chunky bits, which is exactly how I like it. You want a bit of texture. Okay, now we're going to add to this some spice, of course, and today I'm using a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of turmeric and some paprika. So in it goes. And when we use spice, we've got to have some salt. So a good teaspoon of salt. Right, to make this stick together, we do need some flour. Now, you can use ordinary flour, but today I'm going to be using chickpea flour just to keep it gluten-free. And I'd say you'd need about 3 good dessert spoonfuls. One more little mix with my mixer. That looks about right. Now we just need to leave it to rest in the fridge. So that's been resting in the fridge for about 20 minutes, and now we're going to make our burgers. This is quite a moist mixture, but if you've got a board handy ready with some flour on it, I've used chickpea flour again, you can make it into nice little patties, and they're ready for frying. So they look great. Let's go cook them. So there we are. I fried my falafels on each side till they're golden brown and cooked through the middle. And that's all there was to it. Delicious, healthy, vegan meal, all ready in about 30 minutes. And all that's left to do now is eat them. And 1 very large red pepper. And 1 large red pepper. It's still an onion.